Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add an ads account here in Facebook Business Manager. So let's get started. So first what you have to do is go here to Meta Business Suite, and if you don't know how to go here, you need to go to facebook.com and then you want to go here on pages, and you want to see here your pages right here, and you want to click on the page that you want to add an ads account on. So let's say I want to add here on Art of Kite Production, so I'm gonna click on that, and here that I am in this page, I want to click on Meta Business Suite, and now I am here in Meta Business Suite. And once you're here, what you want to do is go here and you want to delete all this text and just type settings, make sure it's in lowercase, and let's wait for it to load right here and here. And once you're here, you want to go to add accounts, and in here you want to first add an ad account right here, and you can do it by clicking here on add and creating your account, or when you first open these ad accounts right here, then it would automatically ask for you to add an ad account right here, and you need to fill up some details about your ads and it's very quick and simple so that you won't have any trouble with it. So once you have added it, it should appear just like this, and this is my ad that I added right here for this tutorial. It says add tutorials, so that's all you have to do right here and add accounts. So now what you have to do now is to add an ad campaign. So a way to do that is go here to advertise. You need to go here to all tools. Let's show you here, click on all tools right here in your Meta Business Suite, and then go here to Ads Manager. And now once you're done right here, as you can see, I have my campaigns right here, but now let's go create one so I can show you guys. Let's go here on create right here. Now it would choose us, it would let us choose on what campaign objective we would like, and let's say we are an e-commerce business, so we want to focus more on sales with our campaign. So let's go continue, and then as you can see, it has been created right here, but now it is going to ask us to provide more information. So we're gonna go and proceed with the campaign name. Let's say add campaign demonstration there. So once you have done that, or you could also create a template so that next time you would create an ad, then you could just choose your template and it would do the settings for you, so you would have minimal editing needed. And here in the special ad categories, if your ad belong to the special ad categories right here in the 4 of these, which is credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics, then you could just choose one of them here if this applies to you, but for me it doesn't, so I'm not gonna choose anything. And here in the campaign details, you have the catalog right here. You can select a catalog if you want to reach the people that is most likely to engage with your products. So I want this one here, and we might also need to read this notice right here. And after that, you want to go here in A/B test. This test is for you to test your ad to see if it works, to see how it looks, and yeah. And as it says here, to help improve ad performances, test versions with different images, text, audiences, and or placements. For accuracy, each one will be shown to separate groups of your audience. And yeah, I don't want this one. So in here in Advantage campaign budget, I want this because I want to budget my campaign, and I say I want daily budget or lifetime budget. This could really affect the next step, so make sure you choose accordingly. And let's say this is about right, and this currency here would depend on your location or the currency you choose. And after that, you could show more options, and you could scheduling, but I think run odd ads all the time is already great for me. So let's go next to proceed to the next step after you have done all of this. Next, and here in the ad set name, you wanna create your ad set. So let's go say ad demonstration right here for this example. There you go. And then your products, here you want to go in product set. You need to add your products first before you can see it all right here. So as you can see, let's see, you want to add this one. There you go. And you wanna customize your product first, alright? So that you customize the images and everything that is included in it. And now on the budget schedule is here, start date and end date. If you want to customize that, then you can customize the time, the date, and the end date, of course. And now you can show more options and ad set spend limits right here. You can edit it and you can choose, and as you can see, it says daily maximum because in the previous step we chose the daily plan for spending. Here you can choose the daily minimum and the daily maximum. And for the audience, if you want a specific one, then you can just go to retarget ads to people, so that it would only target those people who have previously interacted with your product. That way the targeting of your advertisement would be more accurate and efficient. But if you don't want that, then if you want to be broad, if you want to be general in your ad, then you can just go for this option right here. And now for the custom audiences, as you can see right here, you can also use custom audiences so that you could be more accurate and be more precise with your audiences. So you could change the location, you could customize everything, the age or gender right here. You could just click here on edit. If you want to edit that information here, you could go that, the gender, the detailed targeting right here. You could add a description right here who matches it, so that Facebook would only show your advertisement to those people that matches your description right here. And then for the languages, you could also set that right here. You can edit the language right here to set the language for your advertisement, or for the people who you want to advertise to, depending on their language. Then you could also set that right here on language. So here on placement, you can choose Advantage Plus placements right here to maximize your budget and help your ads to more people if you want that. But if you don't want to Facebook to decide the placements for you, then you could go manual placements, and you could have these choices right here depending on what you want. You have a lot of choices right here, so it depends on you. I'm not going to focus on that. It's really simple. You just have to click what you want for your ad to appear. And here in the optimization and delivery, you could this is where you would see the cost that is for link clicks. Every time a customer or a person clicks on your link, this would be indicated here, how much it costs per link, because your budget will be consumed based on link clicks. So if you would show my option right here, and this is when you get charged right here. If you want impression, or you could just go for link click right here. You get also charged for every impression that your ad gets, so that will be deducted to your budget. So after you have done that, then let's go now to the next step right here. Yeah, now we want to provide our ad name. Let's say ad demonstration again right there, or you can also create a template just like in the previous step. And here, if you want your branded content, then you could turn this on, but branded content tags are not supported for this ad format because I chose this ad format. And if you have an Instagram account, then you can also select that page. And for the ad setup right here, you can also again, it is the Advantage Plus. This would let Facebook decide for you, so Facebook would automatically optimize your ad. Here on Ad Creative, right here, you can add the catalog that you have enabled in the previous step right here, but I don't have this. I don't currently have this option because this account is only for demonstration. I haven't done the necessary steps for it to be set up right here to add my catalogs. So it's like this, and you could go for cover media. It depends on what video, image, or advanced video catalog you choose. And in here, as you can see in preview, you can see the ad preview right here. If it's all good right here, then you can decide that. So here in primary text is example. Let's just change this to example, and as you can see, it will be edited. It will be put right here, example, right there. Here, as you can see, you can preview the one right here, the ad that you have, and you can just review it right here. And you can also change the headline, the description. You might want to add a description right here for your ad so that the customers can understand it better. And especially here in the call to action, this is a very important step. What you want to do here is choose the one that you want to benefit from the most. Let's say I am an e-commerce store. That's why I chose shop now, because I want people to shop and I want to have sales, so I want to have shop now. Or you could also go for order now or book now, depending on your choice. So here on the destination, tell us where to send people immediately after they tap or click your ad. And here you can add manual destination if you want right here, and you could provide your website URL where they will be transferred, or you could just go for advanced destination. So when people tap or click your ad, we'll send them to your website or app, depending on where they're most likely to convert. So Facebook will decide that for you, but if you want to manually add it, then you could just also do that. And you could provide your link right here, provide your link here, and if you have an app, then you can simply provide the details of your app right here. And you can also do a website here. You can also do a website, and for that you could choose the language so that it will create your ad in different languages and will show people the version that's best for them. And here in the tracking, you can track your data sets that contain the conversions your ad might motivate. The dataset contains the conversion selected for the ad account will be tracked by default. So once you have done that, you can now set up your app events if you have that. If you have an app, then here you on URL parameter, you could choose to click here on build a URL parameter if you need it. So by clicking publish, you agree to the Facebook terms and advertising guidelines. Once you're happy with all of this right here, then you could go now on publish once you are happy with this. And you could also click here on review right here to see everything here. As you can see, there are a lot of notices right here because I haven't optimized it. And here, if you want to send people into Messenger inbox, then it should appear right here, but I haven't. As you can see here, it says please specify an image to run with this ad. I haven't added an image right here, so that's why it says this notice icon right here. So once you're done and you're happy with all of that, then you can now go here on publish and you can now publish your ad. Let's go publish right here. And as you can see, it says add information, add payment information, but I don't want that because I don't want to actually publish this. This is just for demonstration. So you can, after you click on publish right here, you can set up your payment information, link your cards or your bank accounts right there, or your PayPal maybe. And yeah, after that, let's go to close this one. And as you can see, it's now in draft. It's just waiting to be paid, to be published right here. And you can see the last significant edit, attribute setting, some data right here that you could use to better understand your audience. And here, add payment method right here, you want to add this first before you create an ad so that it will be a smooth process. And I guess if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.